Alright, we're back. Video number 6. Gotta plug the key guy with the actual Mercedes key with the actual logo in the middle. Totally looks great. Most of your keys are not going to have that. Let me just take a look back here. Looks like I don't have any other shells. They're in my car. It doesn't look like I have any shells here to show you, but basically where that Mercedes logo is, there's just basically a little cover plate right there. But shout out to my key guy for selling really cool shells. He reshells these from the other ones. Does charge a little bit of an upcharge, but looks so much better when you give it to your customer with like a real key shell. So shout out to my key guy. Since I gave you a shout out, you should lower the price for me. Kidding, not really. Alright, so now we've got our blank key into the XP400. Oops, let's bring this over here. Alright, so got our key in there. We're going to hit OK, and 720. Are you sure you want to do this key? Absolutely want to. So we've selected that key file. Now we wait. Key file writing is completed, so it has been written. Now with the G box, we may not be able to actually turn the ignition. So let's see. No, not going to turn. Not turning. Let me put the battery in. I don't think the battery matters, but let's put the battery in. Usually we write it with the battery, but my key guy ships this separately, so let's go ahead, throw the battery in this guy. Battery is in. Key shell is together. Let's see, so we do have juice. We got a flashing red light there. And so our red light is on. So now that the red light is off, we should be able to turn the ignition. So we're going to click OK on that, and then we are going to read key information, and we're going to slide this back into the IR keyhole. Communicating with the key, please wait. So shows key number 2, it's been used 4 times. Here's the key password. So if you have an aftermarket key, you can read it out, read the key password, save yourself a whole bunch of time from having to, what am I trying to say here? Save yourself a whole bunch of time from having to actually calculate a password. So you want to check, make sure you don't have any aftermarket keys in play when you go start to do this. And then let's just verify that key password is correct. So let me flip through here. So I've got 4E12519200 43B5DB. Same password as we had earlier on that key. So all that is good. So let's hit escape. Let's come back here, and then you know what we're going to do is, because I want to show you this turning in the EIS, we're going to hook this EIS up with the gold car setup on top of all this mess right here, and then we'll show you that turn. So stay tuned for the next video.